Good day mga Colpet Mothers. Today ay 1 week old na ang ating very cute na baby dog Bichon. Very healthy sila at meron na mga dark spots ang kanyang mga nose, pati ang kanilang lips. Malilikot na rin sila at they require more ventilation, especially during the afternoon kasi nga mainit na. Yun, naiyak sila kaya inibigyan ko sila ng ventilation. Very adorable and very cute. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.